Hello friends, today we are going to see essay on Lal Bahadur Shastri. So Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh in India. His father name was Sharda Prasad and he was a school teacher. His mother name is Ram Dulari Devi. Lal Bahadur Shastri father died when he was only 1 year old. He has two sisters. After his father's death, his mother, Ramudulari Devi, took him and his two sisters to her father's house and settled down there. About education, since childhood, Lal Bahadur Shastri was very honest and laborious. Lal Bahadur Shastri was graduated with a first class degree from Kashi Vidyapith in 1926. Then he was given the title Shastri Scholar. Lal Bahadur Shastri acquired virtue like boldness, love of adventure, patience, self-control, courtesy, selflessness in her childhood in order to practice actively in the freedom movement. Lal Bahadur Shastri compromised even with his studies. Lal Bahadur Shastri got married to the Lalita Devi, and both Lal Bahadur Shastri and his wife blessed with 6 children. The name of children was Kusum, Hari, Krishna, Suman, Anil, Sunil and Ashok. About the contribution for a nation, Lal Bahadur Shastri was drawn towards the national struggle for freedom. When he was a boy, he was very impressed by the Gandhi speech which was delivered on the foundation ceremony of Banaras Hindu University. After that, he became a loyal follower of Gandhi and then after jumped into the freedom movement. Because of this, he had to go to the jail many times. Lal Bahadur Shastri was always believed that self-sustenance and self-reliance as the pillar to build a strong nation. Lal Bahadur Shastri wished to be remembered by his work rather than well-rehearsed speeches proclaiming lefty promises. He was always against the privileged caste system and therefore decided to drop his surname, and after his graduation he get Shastri surname. About political career, in 1947, after India got independent, Lal Bahadur Shastri got portfolio of Transport and Home Ministry. In 1952, he was given the Railway Ministry. When Jawaharlal Nehru died, Lal Bahadur Shastri succeeded him as a Prime Minister for a short time, for only 18 months. In 1965 was he got a achievement after the victory on Pakistan. 11th January 1966 he got a 7 heart attack and he died. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. He was a great man, a great leader and was rewarded by Bharat Ratna. He gave a famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Lal Bahadur Shastri utilized the time in reading the social reformer and Western philosopher. He was always against the dowry system and so refused to take dowry from his father-in-law. Lal Bahadur Shastri tackled many elemental problems like food shortage, unemployment, poverty. To overcome the acute food shortage, Shastri asked the expert to devise a long-term strategy. This was the beginning of the famous Green Revolution. Lal Bahadur Shastri was a very soft-spoken person. After the Chinese aggression of 1960, India faced another aggression from Pakistan in 1965 during the Shastri tenure, and Lal Bahadur Shastri showed his mettle and made it very clear that India would not sit and watch. While granting liberty to the security force to relate, he said, "Force will be met with the force." Lal Bahadur Shastri was the first as a Minister for Transport and Communication and then a Minister of Commerce of Industry. In 1961, he was the Minister of Home and formed the Committee to Prevention of Corruption headed by the K. Santhanam. Lal Bahadur Shastri was also known as simplicity, patriotism and honesty. India lost a great leader. He had give a talent and integrity to India. His death was still a milestone. Lal Bahadur Shastri had politician association in Indian National Congress. He had the political ideologies such as nationality, labor, right wings. Lal Bahadur Shastri is a Hinduism religion. He was always self-sustained and self-reliance as the pillar to build a strong nation. This is all about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Thank you.